This is the next one. See, I've got actually a polystyrene type lid on this. It was a bit hard to do one-handed. This was the feeder. Still one or two little bees in there still. But once again, I'll give them a sugar patty. As you can see there, they're definitely on it. So that's good. I'll take that off and do exactly the same as what we did before. Give a little bit of smoke first of all, and you can watch us do it if you want. So there you go. Just turn you down a little bit. And a little bit more, there you go. Right, so, a little bit of smoke. Because obviously not too happy about being disturbed. You hear the noise has come up slightly. The bees objecting. Okay, I've refilled the syringe as you can see. Right, we're just going to take this up. And there we are. Just dribble that down the frames. As you can see that, I suppose. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. So the same as before, we just dribbled it down these. Nice and quick. Bees aren't sort of too agitated. And this will kill all the mites which are exposed because there's no brood at this time of year. And the bees can get on with that now. Right, and we'll just reassemble it. As you see, another one done. 2 or 3 minutes. Next one.